8th chapter, inverse trigonometric function. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 7. Last part completed, impounded unexpected 4 marks problems are completed. Today class also we explained some more unexpected impounded problems. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to 5, then prove that x plus y plus z is equal to xyz. See students, first of all we have to take this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. Put A is equal to tan inverse x, B is equal to tan inverse y, C is equal to tan inverse z. Then x is equal to tan A, y is equal to tan B, z is equal to tan C. This is the value of x, y, z. Next, you can write this value is A plus B plus C equal to 5. Correct or not, students? Understood or not? Here, A value is tan inverse x, B value is tan inverse y, C value is tan inverse z. Then A plus B plus C value is 5. That's why you can write A plus B is equal to 5 minus C. Applying on both sides, these ratios are tan. That's why you can write applying on both sides. Applying on both sides tan. Applying on both sides tan. We get what? Tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 5 minus C. Tan of A plus B formula what, students? Tan A plus tan B all by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to 180 minus theta second coordinate. Second coordinate tan is negative. 180 is even function. Tan can be even write tan C. You know that all values substituted. Tan A value is x, tan B y, tan C z. Write down in this equation x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to minus z by 1. Cross multiply, you get what? X plus y equal to minus z of 1 minus xy. You can write x plus y equal to minus z into 1 minus z, minus into minus plus xy into z plus xyz. You can write this value x plus y plus z is equal to x into y into z. This is the answer. Correct or not, student? Check. X plus y plus z equal to x, y, z. This is the correct answer. This way you can do that problem. The problem is if tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi by 2. Last problem equal to pi is there. Here pi by 2 is there. Then prove that xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1. See students, first of all I have to take this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. Put x is equal to A is equal to tan inverse x, B is equal to tan inverse y, C is equal to tan inverse z. Then x is equal to tan A, y is equal to tan B, z is equal to tan C. That's why A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2. Here this is A, this is B, this is C. A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2. C goes to here, you get what? A plus B is equal to pi by 2 minus C. These are all ratios in terms of tan. That's why you can write applying on both sides tan. Applying on both sides tan, you get what? You get what? Tan of A plus B is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus C. Yes, students, tan of A plus B formula what? Tan of A plus B formula tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. That is equal to tan of 90 minus theta lies on which coordinate, students? First coordinate tan is positive. 90 is which function? Odd function. Tan can be written as cos C. That's why you can write here tan A plus tan B whole by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to cot nothing but you can write 1 by tan C. That's why you can write tan A value is tan B value by tan C value z x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to 1 by z. Just to get cross multiply x plus y into z is equal to 1 into 1 minus xy 1 minus xy. Next you can write x into z x z plus y is equal to 1 minus xy goes to here xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1. This is the equation of the given problem. Answer xy plus yz plus zx equal to xy yz zx. That value equal to 1. This is the one more problem, previous problem of the before problem. Next problem, very important repeated problem. If cos inverse of p by a plus cos inverse of q by b is equal to alpha, then show that p square by a square minus 2pq by ab cos alpha plus q square by b square is equal to sin square alpha. See students, in this model problem, first of all this I played with a, this one is b. Put a is equal to cos inverse of a by a, b is equal to cos inverse of q by b, then cos a is equal to b by a, cos b is equal to q by b. That's why you can write this is a, this is b, a plus b, a plus b equal to alpha. Here ratios in terms of cos is there, you can write applying on both sides cos, applying on both sides cos, you get what? Cos of a plus b is equal to cos alpha. Cos a plus b formula what? Cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to cos alpha. Here see students, cos a value is p by q is there, p by a is there, sorry p by a is there, cos b value is q by b is there, but sin a you can write cos a to cos b minus square root of 1 minus cos square a, that is sin a, square root of 1 minus cos square b, that is cos b equal to cos alpha. You can get cos a value is p by a, p by a, cos b value is q by b minus square root of 1 minus cos square a value is p by a whole square into square root of 1 minus cos square b value is q by b whole square is equal to cos alpha. You can write this value cos here, this value here. You get what? pq by ab. This cos alpha goes to here minus cos alpha equal to square root of 1 minus p square by a square square root of 1 minus q square by b square, 1 minus p square by a square square root of 1 minus q square by b square. After that you can write squaring on both sides. You get what? pq by ab minus cos alpha whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus p square by a square into square root of 1 minus q square by b square total you can write whole square. After that here a minus b square formula you can write a square pq by ab whole square plus b square nothing but cos square alpha minus 2ab nothing but 2 into pq by ab into cos alpha equal to square root of 1 minus p square by a square whole square square root of 1 minus q square by b square whole square root get cancelled, remaining p square q square by a square b square plus cos square alpha minus 2pq by ab into cos alpha equal to 1 minus p square by a square into 1 minus q square by b square. After that, multiply the terms. This LHS part you can write similar. A square by a square by q square by b, q square b square plus cos square alpha minus 2pq by ab into cos alpha 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into q square by v square q square by v square minus p square by a square minus into minus plus p square q square by a square b square. Here p square q square by a square b square, here p square q square by a square b square get cancelled. Remaining constraints, remaining cos square alpha minus 2bq by ab cos alpha equal to 1 minus q square by b square minus b square by a square, b square by a square. Same students, after that we can write these two values here. This value goes to here, this value goes to here, is cos square alpha. That's why I can write p square by q square is positive, q square by b square also be positive, minus 2pq by a b cos alpha equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. 1 minus cos square alpha. After the sequence, here minus goes to left side plus, minus goes to left side plus, this minus similar, this cos square positive goes to right side, that is negative. That's why I can write p square by a square plus q square by b square minus 2pq by ab into cos alpha equal to 1 minus cos square alpha. What is the meaning of 1 minus cos square alpha? 1 minus cos square alpha nothing but sin square alpha. This is the answer. Correct answer students. P square by q square plus q square by b square minus 2bq by ab cos alpha equal to sin square alpha. This is a very important problem in IP examination. These three problems are very important. You can practice it perfectly. These three problems, you get one problem in IP examination.